Welcome to Unican, a channel dedicated to applied statistics and mathematics. If you are into data science, machine learning and AI, you are in the right place. We offer educational content for lifelong learners from any background. Well, look at me, you are never too old to learn. My name is Gerhard Kling. I'm a professor in finance, an ex-McKinsey consultant, an economist and mathematician. Nowadays, programming is essential. Hence, we will cover various languages, including Python, R, MATLAB, Stata, C++, and others. It is all about finding the right tool for your problem. Apart from sharing educational content, I will cover other aspects of learning, such as how to self-study, how to deal with setbacks, and how to keep your motivation. Please feel free to leave comments and ask any questions. I will make plenty of mistakes. I know you will do a lot better. All the best and have fun with statistics and mathematics.